Let's take a look at how to use the SQL NOT condition. What is the purpose of the NOT condition? It is used to negate a condition in a statement that uses advanced comparison operators. With it being a comparison operator itself, it is utilized in the where clause. Let's take a look at it in action to get a full understanding as to how it works. So today we'll be working with our vehicle table. So let's do a select statement on that. So as you can see, we have 13 records in 4 columns in this table. Now before trying to utilize the NOT condition, let's just review some of the simple comparison operators to contrast the difference, and then see how we'd use it with the advanced comparison operators. So if we're interested in only seeing the model of vehicles that are civic, what we would do is we would add our where condition, our where clause I should say, where model, supply it with the column that we're interested in looking against, where model equals, and we'd put civic in quotations as it is a string, and when we execute this, we are seeing that we are only receiving 2 records. Now this is a simple comparison operator. If we wanted to see the information where the models were not equal to civic, then there are 2 ways we can go about it. We can either add a exclamation before the equal and execute, and we're seeing that it brought back all records where the model type is not equal to civic, or we're able to use the 2 greater than and less than signs together, and once you execute that, it returns the same results where the information does not include civic. Now we understand the advanced operators such as in, that allows for you to get back multiple records. So say we're interested in a model with models that include Civic, Camry and CRV. What we would do is use the in condition, put the information in brackets, and we'd list out the information that we want to compare it against. So in this case, we're interested in Civic, CRV, and Camry. Close it with our bracket, and if we're to execute this now, we're seeing that the information that it returns is all the models that have Camry, Civic, and CRV. Unlike the simple operator, we're not able to make the adjustments of putting in an exclamation or to use the comparison tools of the greater than and less than sign together to get the reverse of this selection. So for example, we can't put the exclamation before the not and it will provide us with the information, or use the 2 signs together to get back any information. What we would have to do is utilize the not keyword, the not condition, to be able to get the reverse. So if we're interested in seeing models that are not Civic, CRV and Camry, what we would do is we would include the not before the in condition. So we'd say not, and when we're executing, we're seeing that all the results don't include the Civic, CRV or Camry. So we're only seeing Corolla, Mark X and Accord. The function of the not condition is simply to put it before you would use the advanced operator. So if we're interested in using the between operator, it would function similar by just putting the not to get the reverse. So let's quickly use a select statement on the vehicle table. Cost between, and let's go with 27,000 and 40,000. So with this statement, what it is doing is it's bringing back all the records that are between 27,000 and 40,000. And remember, the between is an inclusive statement, so it would include the 27,000 as well as the 40,000 in the results. But we are interested in seeing the vehicles that have a cost that is not between 27,000 and 40,000. All we'd have to do is to put the not keyword, which initiates the not condition, before that additional comparison operator, and we'd get the inverse. So if we're to execute, what we're seeing now is it returned all records that have a cost that is not between the 27,000 and 40,000. So we have 20,000, 24, 23, and 42,000. And that is how you would utilize the not condition.